Okay, everybody. Hello, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. You might be sick of this red lipstick, red sweater, red candle in the background, but I am going through my subscriptions for December. They seem to have all shown up almost like the same day, so we are gonna work on them. I'm gonna have these videos posted for the weekend, throughout the weekend and stuff. Depending how late it takes for some of these. I may have the same look, I may have a different look, but this one is my Boxycharm, and I'm pretty sure this is the Luxe, Boxy Luxe. It's the one that's every 3 months, and I forgot which is what. So, I've seen some of my friends that got it and stuff, so I am excited to share. So, we're gonna do this. This is the December Boxycharm. Like I said, I think it's the Luxe. I don't think it's the Ultimate. I don't know. I only do the $35 one. Okay, let's get started. So the first one is this will be my second one I have of these. So I might put this in a drawing. I'm putting together, when I hit 200 subscribers, a goodie box worth over $200 worth of goodies, which some of my friends and stuff are panners, so it'll be more along brushes, skincare, accessories like that. I don't know. I've started putting the box together, bag together, but we'll work on it farther. So anyway, this is the Your Hair Wrap by Daily Concepts. I got a bright pink one in one of my other ones. But this is, which I like it, it retails for $18. I like the one I have, so I am excited that someone may get this one. And I may save it for one of my daughters too. So, there's that one. Then we got Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. Ooh la la. In Crazy Rich. I'm like all the way back here. Let's look at this. Now, it's a gloss. So, ooh. Looky, looky. I like. Does it smell? It smells like candy. But I don't want to put it on my lips. I don't want to get any bacteria on it because I'm not going to use it right away. But look at that. And it's called Crazy Rich. That's funny. So, and it's the Rich and Dazzling line High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. I'm excited. And that retails for $21. Okay. So the next one is the Powerup Dual Phase Setting Mist by, don't say Wonder Beauty. In Beauty. And this retails for $32. It's got a lot of information here. Let's look. Aloe. As aloe, it has witch hazel, interesting, and electrolytes. To use, shake bottle, close eyes, and spray 6 inches away. Formulated with our Even Out complex, which helps even your complexion, no matter your tone. But isn't this a set? Yeah, it is a setting mist. Okay. So it helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. So it's for glow, hydrate, and energize. So we will put that in my setting spray array. The next one I have is the M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. Beach Air Grease is inspired by. This fast-absorbing, multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. That works good. Layer with green grass hand and body for extra moisture. This, I'm glad they put it in the bag. This retails for $36. Whoops. Read wrong. My eyes. Woo-hoo. Small print. Then we have Cosmetics. Ooh, facial. Ooh, a facial roll. Ooh. Okay, so I have seen Tati use this. And they even have, like, I think the, her husband has the man version. But And it's red. See, I was meant to order red today. So, I like it. I've been fascinated with the one that Tati has and stuff. So I was looking at this. So, ooh la la. This is retails for $69. So, wowzer. This I'm excited about. This is bad that like this metal thing that I just roll my face over and I'm like, me wanty, me wanty. Yes. We're in the holiday season. It has been a little crazy. Okay, so the next one. Ooh, I've seen a couple of them talk about this. This is the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. And this is in, there's the box. I'm trying to get through all these subscriptions so I can get everything put away. I have piles of stuff and I need to inventory them and put them up till I can use them. So here's the Ciate London, and it's the highlighter, and it's, oh, the name is Confetti. So, ooh, looky ladies, look at that. I mean, I barely touched it. Like, it doesn't even have a swatch mark. And look at that. Oh la la. Now I'm in ooh la la mode. But I really like that. That is so cool. Okay. Not that I need another highlighter, but yay! I'll have to make up my mind about that one. Whether I'm going to keep it or not. Okay, so then we've got next Elemis, and I know a lot of people, the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. So I've got one facial oil. The other one's a body oil. So it's a soothing facial oil. This is Elemis. It runs for about $79. Anti-aging, which, you know, I'm a grandma. It's fine. I can do anti-aging. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, guys, look at that. It's like a little rose drop. Oh. It is rose. Rose facial oil, duh. So, yeah, that's, and I just bought, like, 4 bottles of facial oil. But they're, like, all different types. Like, it's not Pro Collagen. None of them are Pro Collagen, so, okay. One's lavender, one's hydrating, and I think it's hibiscus. One is rose hip, not rose. Another one is energizing, and the other one, I can't even remember what the other one is. So there's 5 of them I bought. Whole nother conversation. So we'll see how that compares to it, and because they are a fraction of the cost of that, and I've been really impressed with them. But they're not for anti-aging. They are just more for balancing your skin and getting it, you know, into a happy place. Okay. Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. And a lot of my friends like Fresh. This is a gel cleanser for all skin types. Has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying, for soft, subtle skin. This rate runs for $48, and it's hashtag Fresh Whimsy. Does it have a scent? That's the biggest thing I have, is some of my cleansers, I don't want fragrance. Xanthan gum, that's a good thing. And I know everybody's like, what? Aloe, yes. Fruit extract, rosa extract, rosa flower, Damascus flower water, another flower extract. We got a lot of roses going on. Castor oil, okay. But I didn't see fragrance. It doesn't have a smell that I can detect, so if it doesn't have a smell, I'll be so excited. Except I did get a little bit of lipstick on the thing when I sniffed it. Okay, so, and I know a friend of mine's gonna be, so I did get the Briar Rose storybook, which I'm excited about. I have the Wizards one and the Mean Girls one. I think I just ordered. So I do like it with the blues. I think it's I think I'm gonna do a get ready with the new Pantone. Get ready with me. Oh, it's soft. I slam it book shut. Just slam it shut, Tara. This one goes for $55. And I just ordered the Mean Girl book, burn book, also from them. Let's see. Let's do some blue. So we're going to do the blue that's in here. There's 2 blue. Oh, let's do Beauty. Ooh, that Beauty. Woo. Okay, so I picked 3. So I chose Castle, Prince, and Beauty. Castle, Prince, and Beauty. And I really like how those just came about. So, I'm in trouble. I'm going to like all these palettes. I have the, like I said, the Wizardry and Witchcraft one. And then I had, like I said, I ordered the Mean Girls one. I don't know. It might be in my stack of boxes that I've gotten in. Just in the last 2 days, I have a stack. Everything. We were shut down. You couldn't really get anything for a few days. So all my stuff is playing catch up that I ordered. Or my subscriptions and all that. So we're going to put Fairy Tales back here with my Wizards one. I'm so excited. So that is my Boxycharm. The quarterly one. That's the one I got. I don't have the big, I don't think I ordered, I don't think this is the big one. Or maybe it is the big one. Yeah, it's the $50 one, not the $35 one. But anyway, I hope everybody else enjoyed what they got. I'm pretty happy with this. The face cleanser, the oil, I'll have to see which other ones, but it's a lot of stuff to play with. And this thing, like I said, the face roller, oh, yay! Like a kid in a candy store, I'm like, yes, me's happy. Me's happy. So, I know I'm sounding like a kid, but I don't care. Anyway, I hope everybody has a wonderful evening, and I hope the holidays are good for you. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.